Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and today is the day I get to bring you our shop releases for, well, it's February's launch, but it's falling at the end of January, just due to the way the dates fall. So these will be available on the 31st of January at 9 p.m. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. As our launch items for February. So it is a little bit different this month in relation to quantities and stuff that we have, and we are changing things up just a little bit going forward, not hugely, but yeah, to show you what we have this month, we have three items or three additional items from the advent that we will have available. Some are stock items, some not so much. So we are bringing our little pocket book of lists to be a stock item, provided they go well. We reserve judgment to change it up later. But yeah, our little pocket book of lists that I use for absolutely all sorts is available from this month, as is our washi tape. This is going to be a stock item, and I'll pull out mine just because it's easier to get hold of, but it has all these gorgeous little diamonds on. Perfect for going around the edge of your paintings or for using in your logbook. We then also have some of our lightweight blue twist pen available in the shop that comes with a little pot of wax. So if anybody wants any more, these are nice in the fact that they are really lightweight. They're not heavy on your hands at all, so if you need something that's lighter, these are perfect, and they're pretty. So that is those three items. In relation to trays, this is what is primarily different. So we have a few bundles of our multicolour tray, and these are our big bundles. So they include a Mega, an AMZ, a Zesty, and a trash tray. These are actually ones that we auditioned for our advent. But these are not the ones that were included in Advent. So there are a few different filaments that we tried. This one ends up being slightly more green. This one is more of a orange into bronze. This one is more a yellow into sort of a bronzy colour. We've got a few different variants of these, but these are sort of the general colour scheme to them. It is a random one. If you do have a particular one that you like, you can pop it in the notes and we will try our best to accommodate if you want like a green one or a darker one. We will try our best to accommodate, but we cannot guarantee. But we have a few sets of these mega bundles. We also then have a few AMZ trays on their own in the same sort of colours. So again, we've got the orangey into the bronze, not as big a variant on these. There's a little bit of one on there, green into the yellow. This one does have a slightly lighter yellow going into a deeper yellow, but either way, they're all nice, shiny, very pretty trays standalone. So we have those available as well, limited sort of edition. We've had these for a while since we tested for Advent, but of course we didn't want to release these and spoil any potential Advent surprises for 2025. So they are a more speciality type of tray in the fact that these are silk, shiny, metalish type looking, though not so much with the yellow and green. They still have the same shine, but because they're not as darker colours, they don't look as metal like. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm probably waffling at this point. So yes, we have some of these available. We also then do have a limited edition of some of the single colour brights. These will be sold individually, so it will be AMZ tray, Zesty tray or trash tray will be the options available on the website. They're not bundles. So you can get what size you want. This month we have them in pink, purple, yellow and green. We do have 4 different colour options. They are limited in numbers on each of them. However, each of these colours will reappear in the future. What our plan with the trays to do is to have one more speciality type tray, you know, like we had the blue galaxy and the green galaxy last month. So these two with the gold sparkle within them, that I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it is a gorgeous sparkle within them. It's like a green sparkle on this one, and it's like a gold sparkle on this one. So the plan going forward is to have a sort of a little bit of a different speciality type tray, and also have some basic colour trays alongside. So there'll be less numbers of each, but there'll be more options for people. So these colours will be reappearing at some point. But yeah, we haven't printed them yet, so we've got a few of each of those. And then we have our cover paper. This will be available in all 3 sizes. So you can either have 2 sheets of this full size. You can cut it down to whatever size you want, or you can use it full size, completely up to you. Or we'll have 8 pieces divided, so it will be roughly 6 by 4 inches. It's actually 10 by 15 centimetres, but that equates to roughly 6 by 4. So the size of a photograph. And you will get 8 pieces of that. Or our standard 16 piece, so this size, that goes in our cover wallets. And that will be 16 pieces. So it'll be the equivalent of this cut into 8. We have 5 different Valentine designs for this year. So we have this gorgeous heart bouquet, these beautiful little birdies tweeting. We have these hearts, nice, really standard block one, that one. Then we have these bouquets and bags in some beautiful colours, and then we have the lips, which I never quite know which way up this goes. Oh yeah, it does go that way up. Let's put it that way up. So we have these gorgeous pink and red lips. So that is our Valentine selection of cover paper. There's no stock limit on this up until after sort of the end of Feb. Then this will go, because Valentine will be over. So yeah, we'll probably just keep this on the website until our next launch, and then we'll take this one off. But yeah, they are our shop offerings for this month. Quite limited on the trays. These colours will come back at some point, so these will come back in, again, the same sort of options, the Admiral Zest, the Zesty and the trash tray. They will come back in future months, teamed up with some sort of different type of filament tray. These ones, once they are gone, they are gone. So these are classed as the multicolor, because most of them do have 2 tones of colour. But they did sort of only change twice, which is why we chose to go for, let me find my one, the likes of this one in the Advent that tended to have a bit more 3 different colour tones. So these are the ones that won. These are the ones that were auditioned. So I hope that makes sense. These will be on the website at some point this weekend. I'm going to say at some point this weekend because I have yet to take some of the photographs. and who knows how the day is going to go. But they will be shown on the website at some point this weekend. Come Friday, the 31st of January, 9 p.m. GMT is when the stock will go live on the website for you to be able to buy. We also do have a few of the other items that were in Advent that we do have some stock left of on the website already, primarily the Christmas themed items. So if you do want to get yourself any of those ready for next Christmas, or just to do now to cheer yourself up, then do go check those out as well. And yeah, by all means, leave messages in the comments. What is your favourite? What is it that you would like to see in the upcoming months? We are always open to ideas. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.